OnePlus confirmed that the OnePlus 12 will launch in China on December the 4th. There's speculation from a leak that the global release might happen in January 2024, although the exact date remains unknown. The rumored features of the OnePlus 12 include a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a triple rear camera system developed with Hasselblad, featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 64-megapixel periscope camera. Additionally, a 5000 MHz battery with compatibility of 100-watt rapid charging is anticipated for the phone. On December the 4th, the company's 10th anniversary, OnePlus announced that it will debut its next-generation flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 12. The device is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch OLED display with Quad HD resolution and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. According to the leaked information, the OnePlus 12 is speculated to be equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, positioning it as a powerful flagship device. According to a report from the Tech Outlook, OnePlus has said buyers can now pre-order the smartphone from JD.com in China. Pre-bookings on the online shopping platform cost yuan. Shoppers who pre-book the device can avail Bibli member season card worth 68 yuan and other benefits. As for the pricing of the device, the company has not confirmed the pricing. It could be priced more than the current OnePlus 11 5G due to expected upgrades like an upgraded display, processor, wireless charging, and a 64MP telephoto sensor. These leaked details hint at a high-performance and feature-rich device from OnePlus. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts about these leaked details in the comments section. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.